Hi folks, my name's Logan. I'm with Phillips RV of Bradley. Today I want to introduce you to our 2015 Jayco pop-up. This model is an 8SD. I actually want to touch on a few points out here while weather's still pretty nice. So first thing I want to mention, if you want to step forward to the front, here you're going to have your tongue jack and then your system to actually raise and lower the pop-up. Since this isn't electrical, this is manual, you have a crank that you'll go ahead and crank to pop up the unit. And then of course your propane and battery storage. And over here on this side you have water hookups, vents for your microwave, and then your propane grill you have on the inside. Here you have your 30 amp power supply plug-in. So when you get your campground, go ahead and pull this out, plug it in, you have power to the unit, be good to go. And if you want to step towards the rear, we have the storage for your spare tire, and then of course the half door that you put on the unit when it's folded down and in transport. So now we actually go ahead and move into the inside. So if you want to follow me. Now that we're inside the unit, I just want to point out that this unit is actually quite large for how small it actually is. So here you have a twin size bed, sleep 2 small children. Up front, we actually have our full-size bed where you can get 2 adults or 3 to 4 children, depending on how the sleeping situation you want to put. And then here you have a comfortable dinette, which you can sleep up to 1 or 2 adults, or again 3 to 4 kids. Over here is the kitchen with your college size or dorm size fridge, your removable stovetop, propane operated, sink, storage, and then all along this side you have storage as well. So again, that's our 2015 Jayco 8SD. My name's Logan. If you have any questions, please get a hold of me. Thank you.